Throughout history, the desire for a better life has inspired humans to create tools, advance their civilizations, invent cultures, and make social progress. It is also what drives us at MOROOKA to develop products for a wide range of needs, from construction to agriculture and forestry, as well as environmental efficiency. Through our manufacturing process, we produce new ideas and give them shape before sending them out into the world to benefit both people and society. MOROOKA is a pioneer that paved the way for heavy machinery with rubber tracks that can traverse the weakest, most uneven terrain. For over 50 years, we have tried to maintain harmony between humans and the natural world. Today, we are taking on new challenges in toolmaking in hopes of shaping our future. MOROOKA started in 1958 as a civil engineering and construction firm. In 1974, we built a plant and began developing hydraulic machinery. And in 1975, we began manufacturing and selling HST trenchers and HST bulldozers, the world's first construction machines fitted with rubber tracks. In 1978, we worked with a major rubber manufacturer to develop a track with a width of 500 millimeters. We fitted it onto our MST 500 crawler carrier, designed for driving on ultra-soft terrain, with goals of establishing it as a first in a series. Another innovation from MOROOKA is their HST system, which combines a hydraulic pump and a hydraulic motor. The system allows drivers to operate machinery without a clutch, whether stopping, moving, or accelerating, allowing for powerful and seamless movement. Along with rubber tracks for heavy machinery, the HST system represents one of MOROOKA's finest achievements. In 1989, we released a new large-size crawler carrier. In 1990, we developed and began manufacturing a tractor with a rubber track. And in 2000, we released a self-propelled wood crusher. MOROOKA acquired several patents before entering the US market in 2002, taking its first step towards becoming a global company. 10 years later, we established MOROOKA America, our first production plant outside Japan. The Virginia plant produces crawler carriers, primarily for the North American market. Finally, in 2017, we set up a sales office in Frankfurt, MOROOKA Europe, to strengthen our position in the European market. Our mission is to continue to provide machinery that benefits the world and is needed by our customers. This is why today, MOROOKA's products can be found at work sites all around the world. Now, let's take a look at some of our products. MOROOKA's crawler carriers were the first of their kind designed for uneven terrain. Boasting powerful, flexible steering and great mobility, they are the best-selling models in the world among gravel, material, and other crawler carriers designed for uneven terrain. The MOROOKA Forwarder is specialized for forestry work and incorporates the same technologies that keep our crawler carriers stable on uneven terrain. Equipped with a reinforced dump bed and dumping capabilities, the forwarder can safely carry and dump wood even at the steepest, most unforgiving work sites. The MOROOKA self-propelled wood crusher has the highest market share in Japan. It incorporates an HST system that reduces engine load, making it economical. Meanwhile, its rubber track allows it to operate on any kind of terrain. The wood crusher also supplies crucial resources needed for clean energy by crushing wood into wood chips that can be converted into biomass or used as ingredients for compost or pulp. MOROOKA's crawler forklift, crawler shovel, self-propelled rotary screen, specialized vehicles, and other heavy machinery also contribute to construction, agriculture, forestry, environmental efficiency, and other areas. At MOROOKA, our priority is to ensure our manufacturing process is safe, of a high quality, and considerate of the environment. Another priority is always listening to our customers. Whether our customers are looking for something new or have unique needs that require unique solutions, we try to cater to them through a spirit of co-creation and cooperation that defines our manufacturing. Behind every MOROOKA product is the tireless work and coordination of our employees. Every day, our 250 employees work diligently to achieve our goals, whether at our headquarters, main plant, Miho plant, 6 Japanese sales offices, or overseas locations in the US and Germany. We believe that we need to do everything possible to manufacture high-quality and high-performance products that will satisfy our customers. Every employee and worker involved in our manufacturing process fully understands their role and constantly tries to bring unique ideas to the table. MOROOKA pioneered rubber tracks for heavy machinery and went on to expand its market share. Today, we have 1 production facility and 7 sales offices in Japan. We have also made inroads overseas, starting in 2002 with the opening of our US office. In 2012, we built our first overseas production facility, MOROOKA America. Our crawler carriers are particularly popular overseas, thanks to their powerful, flexible steering and high mobility. Every few days, a new crawler carrier takes off from Daikoku Pier in Yokohama Port to be used at an overseas worksite. In 2017, we set up our first European sales office, MOROOKA Europe, in Frankfurt. The new location will help us further expand our market share and the use of our products. For over 50 years, we at MOROOKA have been dedicated to manufacturing innovative products so that we can meet the needs of our customers, of society, and of the times. Our goal is to maintain our environmental responsibilities, even as we contribute to society by taking on new manufacturing challenges for a new age.